Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a paragraph. Michel Madhusudan Dutta. Michel Madhusudan Dutta, popularly known as Madhusudan, was a 19th century Bengali poet and dramatist. He was born on January 25, 1824 in Jessore district, Bengal Presidency, present-day Bangladesh. From his childhood, he was an extraordinary talented boy. He studied European literature at home, which influenced him greatly. First, his literary journey began with English poetry, but he later shifted his focus to Bengali, where he introduced sonnets, blank verse, and epic poetry to the language. He skillfully blended Western literary techniques with Indian themes and mythology, bringing a unique depth to Bengali literature, though his writings indicate a high level of intellectual sophistication. The English society disheartened him. They did not show much interest in his writings. Then he felt deep love for his own country and composed Kapotakshanath, a sonnet in Bangla. He wrote the first Bengali epic, Meghnad Bodh Kabya. He earned the title Kobiraj, King of Poets, from the British Raj. Despite financial difficulties and personal tragedies, his works left an indelible mark on cultural landscape of Bengal. He passed away on June 29, 1873. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.